Zyloprim, a class of anti-gout drugs, is available in 100 mg, 200 mg, and 300 mg tablets. The active ingredient of Zyloprim is Allopurınol. What is Zyloprim and what is it used for? Allopurınol is used to treat gout and certain types of kidney stones. It is also used to prevent increased uric acid levels in patients receiving cancer chemotherapy. These patients can have increased uric acid levels due to release of uric acid from the dying cancer cells. Allopurınol works by reducing the amount of uric acid made by the body. Increased uric acid levels can cause gout and kidney problems. How is Zyloprim used? Take this medication by mouth, usually once daily or as directed by your doctor. Take this medication after a meal to reduce stomach upset. If your dose is more than 300 mg a day, you will need to take several smaller doses during the day to get this amount. It is best to drink a full glass of water with each dose and at least 8 more glasses of fluid a day. If your doctor has directed you to drink less fluid for other medical reasons, consult your doctor for further instructions. Your doctor may also instruct you on how to decrease acid in your urine. Dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. For the treatment of gout, it may take up to several weeks for this medicine to have an effect. You may have more gout attacks for several months after starting this medicine while the body removes extra uric acid. Who should not take this medication? Are allergic to Allopurınol or any ingredients of this medication. Have previously developed a severe reaction to Allopurınol or any ingredients of this medication. Are a child. Are a nursing mother. The side effects of Zyloprim are drowsiness, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, stomach discomfort, changes in your sense of taste, or muscle pain. Remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. I wish you healthy days.